What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are finally going to finish the body work on that midgate. I bought a huge gallon, I think it is, of bondo body filler, and because we're running out and I know I have so much to fill, so we bought enough to last us this entire project. So hopefully I don't run out and I don't have to go get any more. And guys, one more thing. If you want to support the channel, definitely pick up one of these King custom stickers. You will definitely help support this channel so we can do cool builds, and it can help me finish this build as well. But pick one up if you want. Leave it in the comment section below. Hit me up on my Gmail, or even hit me up on my Instagram and on Facebook. DM me if you want to. But anyway, let's jump right into this video. Whoosh. That didn't come out good. Hold on. Alrighty guys, so we are getting along somewhere. Look at this. It's looking better and better already. It's slowly kind of transitioning in where you don't see the weld spots, what I've welded. You don't see all that. So everything is nicely transitioning, if you know what I mean. So we're going to wait for this side to dry, flip it, do the same thing for the next side. Then when it's nice and dry, we start sanding. And after the sanding, we can go and get our rhino line. So I basically came up with the idea of putting the rhino line based on what you guys chose. But instead of black rhino line, what do you guys think about purple? I think purple will look really tough, really cool. And I'm thinking about even painting this in purple rhino line. So that's where I'm at right now. I want to paint this in purple rhino line. I think it'll look cool. Also, no one's helping me figure out these wheels. I've had to reach out to some friends on Instagram to see what they can figure out. If you guys can help me figure out something, great. Put it in the comment section below. Reach out to me on Instagram, DM me, do whatever. But this is just as much as your build as it is mine. And let's get this going somewhere, guys. Let's get it. Alrighty, guys. So what is going on? This is probably going to be the last part to this video right now. Been here sanding for the last 5 hours. Clearly, I put way too much bondo on this. I've even used a power sander, and it hasn't really, well, it's done justice. It's helped me knock out a lot of the heavy stuff, but there's a lot of sanding that has to be done. Like I said, I've been here for a while. You can see all the dust on the floor, which I have to clean up. And not only did I sand the front and the back, I still need to sand. There's so much more sanding to be done. And I also feel like I need to put another layer of some bondo to fill in some huge holes that I have, some gaps. I might use some filler putty to filler whatever minor holes I have, and then resand again. This time, ooh, almost killed myself there, almost died. This time I have to try not to put any big globs. That was my biggest regret and mistake on this. The bigger the blob, the longer to sand. Always remember that. So I should have known that. I guess when I was putting it, I didn't notice. But when I came in today, there was so much thick, heavy lines. I guess the bondo expands when it's curing. So it probably expanded, became larger, and was a hell of a lot more of a problem to do. The entire, basically everything in here is all sandy and dusty. I'm so tired. I've been here for, like I said, 5 hours, I think, sanding. And I know I wanted to put like a longer video out for you guys today, 20 minutes, but I promise let me get through with the sanding stuff. The rest of the other videos should be longer. The sanding's taking up so much time, and it's just me working on this. So it's just me sanding, filming, and editing. And whatever I get to put out for you guys, that's what you're going to get. So I hope you enjoyed this quick episode, because I know this thing is quick. It's probably like 5-6 minutes long. But I hope you did enjoy it. If you did, please make sure that you hit the like button, and also comment in the comment section below. Let me know what y'all think. Also, if you're not a subscriber to this channel and you're new, and consider subscribing, because I put brand new content every single day. And come join us on this off-roading build. So I'll see y'all for the next one. Peace.